Today we're at the Next Block Expo in Berlin. We're going to ask people what their expectations are with regards to the Bitcoin price for next year. What are your expectations regarding the price of Bitcoin for next year?
Oh, well, like I said, I'm not an investor, I'm a marketer. But as we see at this moment, it's rising, and there are technical aspects, of course, which are there, and a lot of people are looking at the market and doing different predictions. But like I say, 1 year is short to do a prediction, but I would say if you are in the market all the time, like buying some Bitcoins now and then, instead of one time, at the end, in a few years, you will probably make a profit.
I'm hoping it keep going up, right? So I know the halving is coming, and again, coming from traditional finance, that's always like a risky move, right? It's supposed to change the market cap and reach out to more people, but at the same time, you don't know where it's going, because at the end of the day, Bitcoin is not a company, right? There's not a lot of signals that you can analyze. But I personally hope it keeps going up. I hope it goes up because there are more use cases also in business or in reaching out to actual people that is being developed. And I believe that's what's actually driving the price development of Bitcoin, right? It's not just the fame itself, but it's that we see more and more use cases directly using crypto, using Bitcoin as a layer one. So yeah, I think it'll trend up, and I'm hoping it trends up.
For the next year, after halving, let's say 70K.
We are currently witnessing already the recovery of the market. Of today, it's 41,000, I believe. So yeah, I also very positive about the next year. I think we're gonna see another bull run, and I personally hold in until it's 100K, and then we'll see. Maybe I will sell and wait for another bear market. But of course it will achieve 100K and even more potentially. Just question is not if, the question is when. And well, I think next year we'll see a new all-time high.
It's, a good question. Good question, of course. If I knew, I would be very rich. However, I expect it will go up because the bull market probably started already.
Yeah, many people say it could go as high as 500K. I don't believe that. Unfortunately, it's too big, and there are other assets that will get investors' attention at some point. But 150 for a Bitcoin next year, maybe not. But in this cycle, 2025, top of the cycle, 130, 150, definitely.
I think it can be extremely bullish with the ETFs coming. I think the halving is always a bullish event. There are also drops before that, so we're not 100% sure what will happen. I think we would need like a glass ball to know it. But I would proceed with a lot of caution right now when investing, because there's just so much happening with the halving, the institutional adoption, the ETFs. Dollar cost average is probably the best tip for anybody there.
I think it will reach 100,000 for sure. However, I'm not that good in guessing, but I would guess that reaching 150 is achievable, however optimistic.